Itsy Peasy kids, we miss you. Today we're gonna make a paper plate swirl art. I'm gonna call it an Earth Day art project because I'm going to use green and blue on mine, but you might use a different color. I might even use a little bit of this golden color. All right, you need, for this art project, you need a paper plate, you need some paint. Finger paint will work, tempera paint will work, watercolor or food color, not so much. You need something smushy. So you need paint, you need nice paper. I'm gonna work on a tray because it's easier for me because I'm inside the house. But if you work outside, you might not need one. I'm gonna do this so you can see what I'm doing. Here's my dog Henry in the background on his mat. You can see him lying there in the corner. All right, so here's what we do for paper plate art. Really fun. Take your paper plate. On one side is, if you notice, the paper plate goes up and down like that. I'm taking the back, the bottom of the paper plate, this nice smooth round part that's there. And I'm gonna put, first I'm gonna put my paper down so I'm ready. And I'm gonna put some dots, not a lot, some dots. I'm gonna put, this is glitter paint I'm using because that's what I found. I went by school and I found some nice glitter paint. And I'm gonna do a couple of green dots. Green's my favorite color. A couple of blue dots. And I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we'll find out, won't we? Then, take your plate with the dots of paint on it, turn it over so the paint goes onto the paper, put your hand on it and twist. Twist. Can you see me turning my hand? And then when you pick it up, oh my goodness! Kind of looks like planet Earth. You also get a nice one on the plate too. So you get two prints out of one. Now you can add more paint and do it again. I'm going to do a different one this time. I'm going to put that one aside and I'm going to add some gold to mine because I'm curious what will happen. A nice cheap paper plate's best, not anything too precious. Get my paper ready. Here comes my paper. Nice heavy paper so it doesn't rip when I twist. I'm gonna get, this time, I'm gonna put the little dots of blue first. Maybe 5. A little bit of green. Maybe a little in the middle. Green, green, little at the edges. Now if I put it all the way around the edge, that part of the plate isn't going to touch my paper since the plate is bent. But you might have a different kind of plate. I guess you could also use a flat bottom plastic plate. The important part is that the paper touches, the plate touches the paper. All right. A little bit of gold this time just to see what happens if. Oops, that was a little more than I meant. But let's find out what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna flip it over. Twist, twist, twist. I think 3 is a good number for me. Let's see what happens. Oh! Wow, look at that. Really fun. So there's your Earth Day, because it kind of looks like the Earth. Your Earth Day paper plate art. Have fun with it. If you don't have these colors, use different colors. But you do need a gooier paint, so when you twist it, it does that. Not a liquid watercolor. Have fun with it. See you guys later. Bye.